In the name of Allah, who is the most beneficent and the merciful for all, who is the master of day and night. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. What was the age of patient that had a big heart transplant for the first time? Correct option is B. 57. Australian Open 2022 men's single title won by. Correct option is D. Rafael Nadal. Australian Open 2022 women's single title won by. Correct option is B. Berdy. Which Pakistani boxer won Arabian Sea Championship title? Correct option is D. Muzaffar Khan. World's largest canal lock unveiled in. Correct option is C. Netherlands. Russian population declined by more than dash million people in 2021. Correct option is B. 1. Study about evidence of water on moon published on. Correct option is D. 8 January 2022. Average global temperature in 2021 was. Correct option is B. 2 and 2.2 degree Fahrenheit. ICC Men's 2021 ODI Cricketer of the Year is. Correct option is A. Babar Azam. Who is the ICC Men's Test Cricketer of the Year 2021? Correct option is D. Joy Root. Pakistan ranks at which place in the list of corruption perception index 2021? Correct option is C. 140 index. Which company is going to launch world's most powerful supercomputer? Correct option is B. Meta, Facebook. Chinese Olympics will be being from. Correct option is D. 4th February 2022, when Justice Aisha Malik takes out as first female judge of Supreme Court. Correct option is C. 24th January 2022. Who is named as ICC Men T20 Cricketer of the Year for 2021? Correct option is B. Mohammad Rizwan. Justice Aisha Malik becomes first woman judge of dash of Pakistan. Correct option is C. Supreme Court of Pakistan. What will be the name of new capital of Indonesia? Correct option is B. Nusantara. World War II aircraft found after 77 years in. Correct option is B. Himalayas. According to ILO, global unemployment to reach million in 2022. Correct option is B. 207. Who becomes youngest woman to fly solo around the world? Correct option is B. Zara Rutherford. Saturnino de la Fuente, said to be world's oldest man, dies at 112. He was from. Correct option is B. Spain. Indonesia passes law to relocate capital from Jakarta to. Correct option is B. Remoti Borneo. Name of lady who becomes Pakistan's first transgender doctor. Correct option is D. Sarah Gill, who is going to buy video game company Activision Blizzard in $68.7 billion. Correct option is B. Microsoft. South Africa launched first made in Africa satellites on. Correct option is B. 13th June 2022. Pakistan first ever digital city launched in. Correct option is B. Haripur. Daniel Ortega sworn in as president of Nigeria for. Correct option is D. 5th terms. When PM Imran Khan launched Pakistan's first ever national security policy. Correct option is C. 14th January 2022. First environmental laboratory in Balochistan will be set up in. Correct option is C. Lasbela University of Agriculture, Water and Minerals Science. Which country detects new COVID variant named Deltacron? Correct option is B. Caprius. Which Pakistani bank wins global award for Islamic banking? Correct option is D. State Bank of Pakistan. ATP Cup Tennis 2022 was won by. Correct option is D. Canada. Which becomes first black woman to feature of US coin? Correct option is C. Poet Maya Angelou. Which airport ranked first in global list for on-time performance of the year 2021? Correct option is B. Miami Airport, United States. Which first time a big heart has been implanted in a human? Correct option is B. USA. Recently, which tennis player was banned from entering in Australia to play Australian Open 2022? Correct option is C. Novak Djokovic. Dash appoints Kuwait's Hatima Al-Ghai as new Secretary General. Correct option is C. Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries. Sea Dragon 2022 exercise happening in. Correct option is C. Guam. Who is nominated a first female judge for Pakistan Supreme Court? Correct option is B. Justice Aisha Malik. Recently, who takes charge of Secretary General of SCO? Correct option is C. Oldest US veteran of WW1, Lawrence and Brooks dies at. Correct option is D. Who is named as Most Valuable Cricketer of the Year 2021 by the PCB? Correct option is B. Mohammad Rizwan. Japan and Australia sign a defense agreement on. Correct option is B. 6 January 2022. Which country will take the EU presidency after France? Correct option is A. First Islamabad Istanbul train reached Turkey on. Correct option is C. Which Pakistani cricketer recently announced retirement from international cricket? Correct option is C. World longest metro line opened in. Correct option is A. First company in the world to hit $3 trillion valuation. Correct option is C. OIC lead international meeting on Afghanistan hosted by. Correct option is D. Pakistan.